randoms. We're gonna do a reaction to 30 times Mother Nature showed her destructive beauty. I wouldn't call it beauty, but okay.
Well, it was pretty after it was over?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put question mark at the end of that. Okay.
Hello there, and welcome to the Unbelievable. Check out this incredible fire tornado recorded in California.
He's telling the truth.
I didn't know today to turn a fire.
Yeah. Wind feeds flame.
Dude, yeah, I knew that. I'm slipping.
You gonna be like that Asian guy in that house when with the boxes kept burning, remember? He was feeding that fire, boy. But yeah.
Imagine getting sucked by that. You're getting burned and spinned.
I don't even want to know.
That will be tragically.
You almost made me spit this everyone. Oh,
they're getting cooked and thrown.
I know.
You've been burnt, spinned.
You've been burnt, spinned.
And stabbed with some stuff. That
yeah.
Is, man, Mullins was mad at you.
What you do in your life.
Hail breaks through the roof of this department store.
And you clowning cities at night.
I don't care about that.
You know, see, at night
he be
with
liking the city lights. It's just because the lights is why you like it.
Yeah, the city lights and that lighting with it is so gorgeous out there.
Yeah,
that's
beautiful. Mother Nature is special. I'm talking lightning. Just
well, I love lightning. Overall, lighting was best, but the city with the lights still go together.
Yeah,
like peanut butter and jelly.
Okay.
A massive dust devil is recorded in Western Australia.
What are they going to do? Give bad eyes for the day?
I know, right? There's look at y'all's different colors. See, it's like brown at the bottom.
This is dust devil.
That's one of each one here.
A man records an intense thunderstorm in Saudi Arabia.
Hey, what's happening? This camera?
Out there look horrific.
That's
but
why
beautiful.
you do not have trees all up against your house.
Yeah.
You just don't.
That's that tree hitting you.
Exactly.
That won't
you
be
don't
pretty.
have it on your house.
Over
I love trees, and they should be off from away your house so that if it falls,
a branch will take you out. Is all I'm saying.
yeah.
So imagine a whole tree.
Yeah.
Woo.
Remember Hulk?
Oh.
Remember Hulk in the first one?
Yeah.
He grabbed the guy and threw him and hit the other person?
Yeah.
He'd be like that?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
wait.
it.
Man, that dude was
Oh,
broke up. He had a cast all over his body.
Be nothing.
That was funny.
It was. But I'll be worse because of wind.
Tourists experience an earthquake while being on the 52nd floor of a skyscraper in Tokyo. Here we see a man doing his absolute best to protect his car.
I remember it was playing.
Is he serious?
A man at his finest. I'm glad.
There's that man. Ain't this man.
And he coming out with a rug that help him. They trying to protect his car from getting damaged.
Or it's like a whole time.
He don't be worked out. That's funny. It's nothing serious.
Свет, ты снял? Вот, все. Кирдык, вон там машина.
I'm sorry, the roots is loose. That's funny.
The loose is loose.
Yeah, they copied the game, y'all. That's an insider.
Oh yeah.
My bad.
And plus it's funny, it rhymes. The
Yeah.
loose is loose. There's up to 4 times?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah.
О, все, капец. Нет нашего красивого тополя.
Check out this awesome landing despite insanely bad weather.
Man's a jet.
Oh.
Straight? Okay. Yeah, you can delete this. You know.
That ship thing? Who will fly off? He was slamming friends.
There's a hook, so when they land, they got a hook that pulls them
Bushfires
back.
light up the sky in Northern California.
Oh my god. That's fire.
It's California. I know it is.
Oh, man.
How the fire go that high up?
Oh, wind helping it.
That's a serious dust fireball.
You live in fire. That's horrible.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I've been in California.
I think we're still in America.
Is that a fire nail?
A fire nail.
What did y'all do?
This living room wall can no longer hold the pressure from the floods outside.
Oh. Now I hope they got flood insurance.
No, it is blood.
That's still
That was still crap out of me,
bad.
though.
Yeah. Oh, that's a deer.
Oh,
deer.
Oh, dear.
That's all we're doing.
Here, close your window. Yeah. Roll down mine.
You're watching my best film again. Oh, there's a nail. Where'd that go?
How a guy's car start running?
I trust my legs. Never wheels. There's a bit there.
Some unlucky cars get caught in a heavy hailstorm in Mumbai, India.
like a nuke
Buenas
was
tardes,
dropped
pues
in the
todos.
sky.
Señor Sala tiene a cargo del puesto 255.
A plane just casually cruises by 3 tornadoes in Russia.
Yeah, no choice.
Oh, three?
Yeah, river. Little baby.
Baby, look at what I'm doing. It's ripping up the bricks.
They sold 100 bricks.
Thank goodness this all happened on the weekend.
Yeah.
There's a school. No school.
Yeah, no school.
Woo!
Them kids,
We all lost at the same time.
hell of a storm, okay?
It works on everything. You cannot walk out there.
Tesla cam footage shows the results of a tornado passing close by a coffee shop.
Oh,
Hey!
poor Stephanie. They look tense.
Yeah, no. Oh, this is old. Like, this bad one.
Oh! They made a car move. The car got moved. See? And then alarm went off.
Oh, God.
That was a moment.
Yeah. Okay, but that music with the moves like charging.
Watching, and I'll see you next time on the Unbelievable.
America!
That was not.
That's Merkel. Remember Rocky Five?
That's right. Make you proud, but
That was intimidating.
yeah, it was some scary stuff.
yeah, respect them in nature.
Yeah.
Put some respect on.
Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Hell yeah.
We see the light above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The sun.